अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदना मुहम्मद व अला सय्यिदना मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Today our topic is Z-score. How you can calculate Z-score? It is particularly area under curve and it is the area of that probability is there. What probability is there? So this is the normal distribution and equally distributed from this mean line. Here is mean value and this is called median mode. At this point, almost mean, median and mode are resembled, are equal, nearly equal, not exactly equal but nearly equal. So it is distance from mean value to one standard deviation. This is one standard deviation, this is two standard deviation. Addition shows right side, and this is three deviation plus. And this side is one deviation subtract, or this negative sign shows left side. Not it is negative marking, it is the left side. Okay. This is half equally 100% divided by 2, it means 50% each side. So this area is 0.5 and this area 0. It's not negative because area is not never negative. Area is always absolute value, that is positive. So what is the probability of area and come this line? Here are 34.1%. Both sides. It is 22.6%. It is 2.2% here. And it is 22.6%, 2.2%. So altogether it becomes almost 100. That is 1 equal to 1. But it is not cross this line or touch this line of x-axis. So it is above the line. So it is not 100%. It is exactly not 100%, near to 100%. So this half side is positive side, this negative side. But it shows right side. It shows left side. Not a negative, not a positive. Okay. So how we calculate this area? Let's take a question. Question is this. Question here. The average age of CEOs question 15, sorry. This is question 15. During September. During September, the average temperature of L'Oreal Lake is 64.2 degree, and the standard deviation SD standard deviation is 3.2 degree. Assume the variable is normally distributed. Muted. For a randomly selected day in September, find the probability that temperature will be first, A part, above 62 degree, B part, below 67 degree. Let's solve this solution. So first understand what is your question. What question asks, what we have to find. This is called understanding about the question. Understanding is what is given. Given here is this is mean. So it is mean value, that is 64.2 degree, and standard deviation SD is equal to 3.2 degree, and assume the value is randomly distributed. We have to select September any day. Find the probability that temperature will be above 62 and below 76. Let's calculate it one by one. First, what is the formula for the Z-score? Z-score formula is this. Its value mean over this. Yeah, you can say value, what we have to find, and the mean and standard deviation. Okay. Here what is given? Mean is this, and we have to find this. So Z-score for this value is 62 minus 64.2 degree over 3.2 degree. So subtract it. What it will be? Subtract it. Have you calculated?
2.2.
Minus 2.2 over 3.2. What it will be now? Calculate. Yes, what is it?
0 minus 0.68.
0.69.
Yes.
In round figure it is 9. Okay. So Z-score for here is 0.69 degree. So it is Z-score. We have to find probability of X more than 62. It is equal to probability of Z more than minus 0.69. So what is Z-score? Z-score is the area under the curve. Area under this curve is called probability of that area. Probability of that area. So how we calculate it? From Z table, because here at mean value of Z is 0, here is plus plus, here is minus minus. Okay. And then what is the value of here? Because area is never negative, so it is absolute value, that is 0.69. So we have the value Z0 to Z. We have to find this value. It means the area between this area and what is P score? Z score. Probability of Z score 0.69 is equal to 0.69 0.7549 from the table, from the Z-score table. So probability of temperature above 62 degree is equal to 0.75 or 75.4%. So now the B part, it was A part, B part. Z is equal to 67, 64.2 degree, 3.2 degree. Calculate it.
about 3.5 over 3.2 divided by 3.2.
What it is? It is 3.2 degree plus or minus. Equal to 1.
Yes,
It
sir.
is equal to 1. So
No, sir. Upper I got 2.8.
2.8.
Yes, sir.
2.8. Now calculate.
3.8.
It is
0.85.
0.85. So probability of temperature below 67 degree is equal to probability of Z-score less than 0.3. Now from the table, what it is? G. What is value of this? First sketch the graph. Z0. Okay, it is here. Here. So it is on this side. We have to find what? Temperature below this side. It means we have to find this side. The Z-score of 0.85 is equal to what is the locate from the table. It is table 0.88 0.288. It is 0.288. 0.288. This is the Z-score. Okay, this is the Z-score. So it is the value from here to here. We have to find completely below this side. Below this side, it is 67. It is 64.2, and this side has been 2. So what is the value of this side? Is 0.5. It is 0.5. We have to add. Temperature below 67 degree is equal to 0.500 plus 0.288. Add the value. Add the value. What it will be? I think it is 0.85. So I think
0.788.
it will be 0.88. What is the value of 0.88?
788.
It is 3 it is 3.1 3.106. It is 3.106. It is 0.3108. So add this value here. 3108. Now calculate. It will be 0.8108. So probability of temperature below 67 degree is equal to 81%. It is. Okay. Thank you very much.